Welcome. Today I'm here with Andrew, Jason, and I'm Adrian, and we're here to discuss Firewalls. Now we want to talk to you a little bit about firewall history. It was first invented in 1988 by engineers from DEC. Its first generation was packet filtering firewalls, and they were built so they could inspect packets as they would come across the network. If a packet matched a set of rules, it would be dropped or rejected from the connection. The second generation were called stateful filtering firewalls. They were made to maintain records of the connection with the sender of the packet, so it knew whether a packet is the beginning of a new connection, part of an existing transfer, or an invalid packet altogether. It helped prevent DOS attacks, some DOS attacks. The third generation of firewalls are the application layer firewalls. They're also called proxy-based firewalls. They were made to understand certain applications and protocols, and they could detect if an unwanted protocol was being sneaked through a non-standard port. Now we want to talk with you a little bit about what firewalls do. A definition of a firewall is simply a program or hardware device that filters the information coming through the internet connection into your private network or computer system. Firewalls are extremely important. Without a firewall in place, anyone in the internet could access your system. There's three main things that a firewall can do. One is packet filtering. Packets coming over the internet are analyzed against a set of filters, and the packets that make it through the filters are received, and the packets that do not make it through the filters are dropped. Another thing that firewalls do is proxy service. The information from the internet is retrieved by the firewall and sent to the requesting system, and vice versa. Another thing that firewalls do is stateful inspection. It examines a packet based on its header and can determine more about a packet than just its source and destination.
All right, this is how you install Firestarter. You use a simple apt-get command to download it, and then the terminal just installs it for you. And then this is what the GUI interface looks like. And this is this is how you block something. You just select the policy tab in the middle of the screen, and then select add rule, and then just tell it which service you want to block, which in this case we selected HTTP, which will block any website that's not a secure site. You know, like a bank website would be secure and that kind of thing, but it'll block anything like Google or Microsoft.com or anything like that. This is what happens when you do it. It just gives you the message that it just can't connect, just like it would if you unplug the network cable out of the back of your computer. This is the IP tables within Ubuntu. It's pretty much like a command line version of Firestarter. You can block all connections like we did in Firestarter by using this command. And this is what it gives you. This is how you get rid of it so you can actually, get back on the internet and do whatever you need to do.
Now we're going to show you some of the Windows Vista built-in firewalls, as well as some of the commercially available firewalls. To start it up, you just go to the control panel. I have it in classic view here. You just click on Windows Firewall, and it shows you the status. You can see it's on, and you just have to administratively change the settings. It has three settings: on, off, and block everything. And you can choose exceptions once the tab pops up. And what this does is it shows you all the programs that you want to allow, and everything that is unchecked would be blocked by the firewall. And the Advanced tab will allow you to select which connections you want to use the firewall with. Those are the basic settings of Windows Vista Firewall. Some commercially available ones are Norton offers a firewall with their antivirus software, as does McAfee, and also a free solution would be AVG. They offer both premium and free services, and they are all good choices, and I would recommend upgrading from just the regular Windows firewall.
I want chicken, I want liver, meow mix, please deliver.